Imagine describing a mechanical part and watching FreeCAD build it automatically. By the end of this series, we'll build a complete AI system that can design real CAD parts automatically using FreeCAD. The full system and architecture will be available inside the community. But today, we take a big step. Instead of manually prompting the AI, we will build an AI agent that designs parts automatically. So far, we've been asking the AI to generate designs. This works for simple objects, but real engineering design requires planning. AI agent, the state. Let's see the state. User request is saved, the plan, the execution summary, the validation, the output STL, the attempts, the state if it is done or not, and also the latest failure reasons. But this is only the beginning. In the final video, we will build a production-level AI CAD automation system. A complete AI system that can design, validate, and export mechanical parts. The full architecture will be available inside the community. I'll see you in the next.